2004 Ford Focus. Repair the air conditioner. Pressure looking good. Perfect. I did a video early on. I run a vacuum for 30 minutes. I let it sit for 15 minutes. Close the valve. I dump liquid into the condenser through the high side. It takes 32 ounces of 134A. Okay? 32 ounces. Alright? 134A. So if you got same year, make, model, takes 32 ounces of 134A. Alright? I'm gonna feel my lines with my hand, the low side lines. Nice and cold. Nice and cold. Nice and cold. Okay? This is the accumulator. This little tank here stores the refrigerant. Okay? It stores the refrigerant. And this is where you hook your gauge up to check your pressure. And if you add in 134A, you add it over here when the car is running. Alright? So I'm going to check the thermometer inside the car and see the temperature. .44 coming out of that vent. It could go down, like I said, between 45 and 40 degrees. Alright? So that's nice and cold. Alright? So that's how you repair the air conditioner for a Ford Focus. Alright? Later.